Special effects artist of The Walking Dead and the executive producer of The Walking Dead, Daryl Dixon. Please welcome Greg Nicotero.
I like the adjectives. Good evening, everybody. Very excited to see all you people here. Last time I was here, I watched the 3D screening of Dawn of the Dead. So it seems kind of appropriate that we're here. So those of you that don't know me, raise your hand. If you don't know, security. That's why we have security. If you can film whatever you want, just take that fucking guy out. Anyway, sorry. I've been part of the Walking Dead franchise for 14 years. I read the first script that Frank Darabont wrote a year before it was ever sold. So I feel like Walking Dead is kind of my baby. Sick, gross, dead, but you know, still. And this show, we're so proud of it. You would think that after all those years, I would have kind of hung up my zombie shingle and sort of gone off into the sunset. But, you know, I couldn't. I was dedicated to working with Norman and David Zabel, the showrunner, and we came up with something really unique, really new, really fresh, and really different. And I'm really proud of this show. And I can't wait for all of you to see it. People have stopped me on the street for the last year going, okay, so how the fuck does Daryl get to Paris? So I'm happy to say that you will not find out tonight. However, if you continue to watch the show through episode 4.5, maybe, I think you will find out. And you will not be disappointed. That's all I can say. So I'm tremendously proud to present to you this very, very unique advanced screening. Nobody else has seen this yet, except for the reviewers who all love it, of course, which is makes me happy. But no one's seen this, so you know, we don't want you to ruin anything for the people that are going to see it after you because you're special. But what's really important is, you know, I talked to Norman today, and he was really sad he couldn't be here because he was in New York. And I said, dude, just jump on a plane. It's only 4 hours. You should come, because he's so proud of this. As an executive producer on the show, Norman too. He's super hands-on. He stood, and not a lot of people know this story, but about 7 years ago, he stood in my kitchen in Peachtree City when we were shooting The Walking Dead, and he said, this is the show I want to make. I want to make a show about this character who goes off in the wilderness, goes off and meets people, and by the end of each episode, he's changed, and those people are changed because of it. It's very like kung fu. If you think about like the old 70s shows, that was kind of what he really wanted to do. So we feel like we've done a really, really great job of capturing what Norman originally wanted to do. But getting a chance to go to Paris and shoot, I've been living there for 10 months. And you know, the first day that we walked on set, you know, I've been in Georgia for 12 years, so you know, we walk on set after the 12th year, and the crew's like, all right, zombies, just stand over there, and then we're gonna shoot, just fall down. Because they'd seen it for 12 years. Then we go to Paris, and they'd be like, oh, mais oui, c'est magnifique! Oh, everyone's clapping and applauding, and it really sort of made me excited about what this show means to people. So the fact that you are all here means a lot to me, means a lot to Norman and the cast and crew, AMC, Dan McDermott. So anyway, I could talk for a while, but let's watch the show. Thank you.